Meaning of derive.
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 Derive. The word derive means to obtain or come from a specific source or origin. It can also refer to the process of deducing or inferring something from given information or premises. When we derive something, we are essentially tracing it back to its point of origin or determining its cause and effect relationship. The result of deriving something is a deeper understanding or insight into its nature, characteristics, or underlying principles. In essence, derivation involves analyzing and dissecting information in order to gain a more complete perspective on it.